Sometimes 3D printing isn't about being useful, it's about printing cool stuff you absolutely don't need. The kind of models you randomly stumble across and have to print immediately. Let's fire up the printer and relive some memories.
Are you ready? Fuck yeah, I'm ready. I'm the Wolverine. Stop it.
You're hit. You're bleeding, man.
I ain't got time to bleed.
I want to play a game. Here's what happens if you lose. Oh, think of it like a snare trap. Here, I'll show you.
Back in November, a My Mini Factory community manager hit me up about a 3D printable marble run, but with a twist. Gear up, guys. This holiday season, PCBWay's got you covered with an epic Christmas sale. Up to 50% off on PCBs, 3D printing, and CNC machining services. Yes, that's right. Up to 50% off on 3D printing and CNC machining. Smash the link in my video description and save big this Christmas. With just a flick of your fingers, you command the dark side of the Force in perfect mechanical harmony. Darth Vader himself would approve.
shit.
The price of eggs get out of control.
I recently discovered these awesome cyberpunk-inspired Mantis Claws on Maker World. They already looked like a fun project, but I wanted to push the design further and give it a more deadly, realistic feel. I extended the blade, making it longer and sleeker for a more intimidating look.
Wake the fuck up, samurai.
I don't say this very often, but I think this is a genius product.
Love it or hate it, this is one of the most interesting new phones in the world at the moment.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease.